you all. I am Nisha, teacher from Ashwini Vidyalaya. We have started chapter number 5, Social Science, in our GK book. We have completed this theory work. Today we will start with our this, which work? Yes, this quiz general 1. Okay. Now I have already written the answer, as in writing answers I am getting uh, time shortage also. Answer the following. Countries are identified by their culture, mythology, food, dress, traditional religion and festivals, and other craft and heritage all together identify a people. yes, अभी एक कंट्री जैसे कि इंडिया का अलग रिवाज है, कनाडा, अमेरिका, इन सब का अलग बुक्स वुक सब कुछ अलग होता है, राइट. मा आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चन रिलेटेड टू द कल्चर्स ऑफ डिफरेंट पीपल ऑफ द वर्ल्ड. पूरी दुनिया का अलग अलग क्या लिखना है हमें, कल्चर्स लिखना है. माउंट फ्यूजी इन जापान इज टू द बुद्धिस्ट एंड सिंटो रिलीजियस एज इन चाइना इज टू बुद्धिस्ट एंड टॉइस्ट रिलीजन. सो फैशान फैशान करके कल्चर फॉलो करते हैं. इसराइल, जॉर्डन, Palestine and Egypt are collectively referred to as by Muslim, Jews and Christian Holy Land. This is known as the Holy Land. Babu, what is the Chinese equivalent of the fork and the knife? चाइनीज में जो फोर्क ऑफ नाइफ की जगह पे जो यूज़ होता है वो क्या है? चॉपस्टिक्स. ऐसे पेन जैसी होती है वो. Who is the head of the church hierarchy? Pop. Oh, sorry, I have missed the fourth one. Who was the last fully independent Inca emperor of Peru? Atahualpa. Atahu, Atahualpa. Who was the founder of Judaism? Abraham. Who is the head of the church hierarchy? Pop. What is the meaning of blue book in official term on any official report of the British government? The People Daily published in Beijing. Pasta is which food in Italian food, while tortillas are from Mexico? I have underlined this. What is Yom Kippur? Yom Kippur, a Jewish fast day of atonement, where you would find an Chaitya, France. What name do French have for Shrove Tuesday? Mardi Gras. Chocolate is made from coca, which comes from a million size fruit of coca tree. One fruit contains 40 beans, which are dried, roasted, and ground into fine powder called coca. Yes, chocolate जो है वो एक ट्री से हमें मिलता है ना. The Aztecs drank a chocolate drink mixed with wine and flavored with pimento of and pepper. Coca tree and the chocolates. Given below are the boxes are names of the tribes of different regions. Choose the correct name and fill in the blanks beside the name of the places where they live. East Africa, Maasai, Algeria, Morocco, Tunis, Berbers, Congo Basin, Genoese, Kenya, Kikuyu, tundras of Europe, Lapps. The word Eskimo means eating in it raw. Traditionally, Eskimos lived on a diet of raw fish, walrus, sea bulber, and whale skin. They, however, called themselves Inuit, meaning the people. ओके इस्कीमो करके इंसान होते हैं जो कि कच्ची चीज़ें ही खाते हैं. इस्कीमो यानी कि ऐसा भालू इंसान जैसा, लेकिन उसके पूरे बॉडी पे बड़े बड़े बाल होते हैं. A name has a lot of meaning, especially when you make a certain association. When naming a human being, it is hoped he or she will live up to their names. Also, place have special meaning to their names. Okay, from the uh, box, choose the name of the place and write it with the it associate meaning. Land of the blank, Sudan. France, Texas. Three towns, Tripoli. Lion House, Singapore. Singapore is known as a Lion House. Gift of God, Baghad, Baghdad. The strong, Myanmar. Rich coast, Costa Rica. And Accra. House of Bread, Bethlehem. Place of God, Hawaii. Okay. Now she will next. Baghad. Trivia of if you thought only places changes name and have special meaning, think again. Most celebrities function under ashamed names. The Russian leader Joseph Stalin real name was Losif Vissarionovich दिजुकास्विली. ये क्या नाम है? तो नाम बदल ही देंगे ना वो लोग. मैच द कंट्री विद द नेशनल सिंबल एंड स्टेट इट्स करेंसी. ओके, यहाँ पे हमें मैच द फॉलोइंग करना है और फिर हमें क्या करना है, ये कंट्रीज की करेंसी लिखनी है. स्पेन. स्पेन में क्या है? स्पेन रेड carnation, red carnation, and the currency uses euro. Turkey. Turkey is tulip and euro. Tulip. National symbol is tulip. South Africa. South Africa is E. Blue crane. Blue crane, and here the rand are the currency used. USA. USA's national symbol is bald eagle. Bald eagle is book one. Bald eagle, and its currency is USA dollar. Japan. Japan's national symbol is cherry blossom. Cherry blossom, and its currency is yen. Denmark. Denmark national symbol is I. Birch tree, and the currency is Danish kornu. Bulgaria. Bulgaria's national symbol is J. Lion, and its currency is Lev. Russia's currency is rubli, and its national symbol is brown bear. Colombia, its national currency is pisco, and its national symbol is orchid. China, its national symbol is dragon, and the currency uses renminbi yuan. Okay, answer the following question. This is Chinese woman Tai Chi. Tai Chi. Right. Now, what is the traditional gift made on 55 year of marriage? Amberland. Okay. In the past 40 years, only 3 American presidents repeated their presidential term. Who were they? Richard Nixon, बिल क्लिंटन एंड जॉर्ज बुश. ये जो 3 जन है, रिचर्ड निक्सन, और ये जो 3 लोग हैं, उन लोगों ने क्या रिपीट हुए हैं, बाकी कोई रिपीट नहीं हुआ है. व्हाट इज द थाई ची? एंशियंट मार्शल आर्ट फॉर्म. जो एंशियंट मार्शल आर्ट फॉर्म होता है उसको बोलते हैं थाई ची. और अकॉर्डिंग टू द बाइबल, नोहन आर्क वॉज बिल्ट ऑफ Joffer wood. What name is the Trojan woman Caristia associated with three leaves. Which zodiac sign represent the twins? Gemini. Karachi is the capital of Sindh province. Which country's flag has a maple leaf on it? Canada. So kids, we will continue with the quiz 2 in our next lecture. Till that time, take care, bye and have a nice day. See you.